Good morning, this is Ashish here, suggestion number your 15CS038. Today I'm going to explain the web tech experiment related after number 3, which is page design using HTML5 and CSS3. We all know that CSS is the style page, is used to make a style, give a style in the HTML page. So here's the question, like we have to create a web page for user profile using proper HTML and CSS3. Page should have header, section and footer. In header, we have to add a photo and display our name, then make a simple roller effect horizontal navigation bar using list of links. Then we have to remove the bullet of the links and remove the default text declaration from the link. Then in section, we have to add a banner image under the navigation bar, and we have to add 4 thumbnails below the banner, and each of the 4 sections should take up the equal amount of space on the screen. Then we have to add 3 sections below the thumbnail, and each section should have a background image. Then we have to give the borders and colors. Then in footer, we have to display our contact details, and we have to set the background color, suitable background color and text color. And our page should include a CSS file with appropriate sectors. And this is our mock page. So our page should be look like this. So I'm going to show you the code. So here's my HTML code. So in HTML, I have linked this CSS file to HTML using link href. Then in body, this is my header part. In header part, I have given division class is equal to image1. That will be my image. Then division class is equal to title1 and my name. So this is all about my header part. Now we have come to the navigation part. In navigation, under the list, I am given as the home. I have given as the list as the home, academics, activity, and others. That will show like my personals, academic activity, and others. This is the list linked. The list which is basically a link. Then in section 1, I have created a class called section 1. In this division class banner, and I have given some content. Then similarly for section 2, I have created a class like section 2. In this division class, I have given as box 2, box 3, box 4. And in this I have given as some content like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, PHP. Then in section 3, like I have again created a class section 3. In this division class, under the section 3 division class, box 1, box 5, box 6, something. Then in there is my footer part. In this division class is equal to foot, and I have given some address, like this is my address, and I have closed the footer part, then body and HTML. So this is all about my HTML file code. Now we go to see the CSS code. So this is my CSS code. First I have set the margin as 0 pixel, padding 0 pixel, and box sizing as border box. Then the first section was header section. In this I have given the background color as blue violet and padding as 10 pixels. The second section was like my image 1. So I've created a class img1, so I've called this, and this I have given as background image, my image URL. Then what is the size, like it will be covered, then height, width, border, and display. It will be displayed in the inline block. Then we'll go to the title one. So yeah, here is my division class title 1. So in this display, it will be displayed in the inline block. Then text align will be center, and front font family is Courier, and font size is 2.5 em. Then color will be white, and width and text shadow I have given as red, and 3 pixel 3 pixel, that will be length and width. Now we'll go to the list. So here is my list navigation. In the navigation part, so here's the navigation part in UL under the list. In this I have display will be the inline block. Width I'm giving as something as 23%. Padding top is 10 pixel, height is 40 pixel, and cursor I'm giving as pointer. What it means, like whenever I'm gonna point on that, my cursor will be changed into the pointer. Then in other in list I have given the background color, some color I have given, and under the list I have given the decoration none, padding 50 pixel, color as white, font size as 18 pixel, and hover. I have used a hover. Like whenever I'm gonna point on that, it will change the color. So it will. I've given the background color. So now we're gonna talk about the section one. So here is my section one. I have given a class section one. In this dot section one background image, I am giving some URL, then height as 250 pixel, and background size will be covered, and width as 100%. Similarly in banner, like banner class, so here is my banner class, like division class banner. So in this I have given some style, like margin left will be 20 pixel, width will be 30%, height is 250 pixel, border will be 2 pixel dash blue. Like it will the all the content will be under the border in a box. So background color I've given you something, then padding and line height and text align. It will be justified. Then we are going to talk about the section 2, that is the fourth thumbnail. I have created a class section 2. Under that I have created box, box 2, box 3, box 4. So section 2 I have given as background color something, and then box in this display I have created display width. I've used the property called display width, background image, height, background size, and margin. In background image I have given some URL of another image. Similarly for box 2 also, and box 3, box 4. The same content I have given for all the three, like same properties: display width, background image, height, and background size and margin. Now I'm going to talk about the title. So here's my division class title. In this like division class title, in this, like it will whatever the content, like color will be white, text line will be center, background color will be RGBA, like, and border will be 2 pixel solid yellow green, and font size I'm given as 32 pixels. Now we're going to talk about the section 3. So here's the section 3. In this I've given the background color as something. Under this I have created different class: box 1, box 5, box 6. So in box 1 I've in all the three classes I have used the properties like display, background image, background size, height, width, and margin. In this in display I've given as inline block for all. Then background image I've given the different URLs for different images, and then background size, height, width, and margin will be same for all, like 250 pixel, and background size will be covered, height will be 250 pixel, width will be 23%, and margin will be 3%. Now we're going to talk about footer. So here is our footer. In this footer we'll have given the background color something, and height as 100 pixel. In this footer there is a class called foot. In this in foot we have given the width, text align, color, padding, font size, description, and text font style. So width has 100%, text align as center, color as red, padding as 3 pixel, font size will be 26 pixel, and text decoration underline, and font style as italic. Under foot class there is a footer division. So in footer division, like I have given as width as 100%, text align in the center, font style will be italic. So here's all about my CSS files and HTML files. Now we're gonna see the output. What is the output? So this is my page, and it shows the all the according to the mockup page. So we have used as the according to like a requirement, we have used the hover. So while I'm like my cursor is normal, and while I'm going to the link, my cursor is changes to the pointer. So and using hover we have given the background color. So this is my image, and then my name. This is the first part, second part, and the different sections. Then in different images I have inserted different images, and this is my footer. So, that will contain the address and the background color. So this is all about the experiment number 3. Thank you.